Jai Hind, dear students. In our Zoom class, we have done exercise 2E, question number 1, A, B, C, D, E and F. And I gave question number 2A as homework. I hope you all have done it. Today I'll be explaining question number 2B, C and D. After that, we will talk about question number 3, A, C, and question number 3, B, D will be your homework. Remember, this is your copy work. You have to do all the work in your maths copy. As I told you that for question number 2, we are going to frame or we are going to write the very same question in the form of question number 1. Means the way it is written in question number 1, first of all we'll transform this question in this form. Question number 2B. If you subtract 23,146 from a number, you are left with 35,906. Then find the number. Always remember, children, that you need to or you should read the questions twice, at least 2 times. So if you subtract 23,146 from a number, you are left with 35,906. Clear? So we have to find out the number, that what is the number from which 23,146 should be subtracted to get 35,906. So see, I have solved it. Here is the solution. What is the number? This is the question, that from which this number should be subtracted. So from which, that means that number should be blank, that number will be a question mark. So I put a blank here and then minus 23,146 is equal to 35,906. Now you can see that minuend is missing in this question. If you remember the models, question page number 37, here model for missing minuends is given. How to draw? So very same model we are going to draw. Look at this. Here the minuend is missing. So we'll make one rectangular box and it will be divided into 2. One is smaller and the other is bigger. Okay. And these two numbers will together form the number from which 23,146 should be subtracted. That means we are going to add these two numbers. 6 plus 6 is 12, carry 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 9 is 10, carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. Then 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay. That means the number is 59,052. Now we'll talk about C. It is written that find the number which must be subtracted from 83,196 to leave 11,422. We have to find the number which must be subtracted. That means now what is the number which should be subtracted from 83,196? That means this is the minuend and we have to find out the subtrahend, and the difference is also given. So see, I have written in this form 83,196 minus what is equal to 11,422. Now if you remember the model for missing subtrahend, it is given on page number 38. So I have drawn the model for missing subtrahend. Here when we subtract the number, the subtrahend from minuend, then we get this difference. So the model will be like this: one rectangular box, again it will be divided into two, one is smaller and the other is bigger. Now 83, 196 will be at the top. Okay, now that means we have to subtract, because these two boxes together will form 83,196. Then you can see that when we subtract 11,422 from 83,196, then only we can get the value of the other box. So 6 minus 2 is 4, 9 minus 2 is 7, and 1 minus 4 is not possible. That is why 1/10 will be borrowed. Now 11 minus 4 is 7, and here it will be 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, 8 minus 1 is 7. So the number is 71,774. This is the answer for C. Now in question number 2D, the question is the sum of two numbers is 40,132. That means when you add two numbers we don't know, so the sum of two numbers is 40,132 if one of the number is 29,184. Now see, one of the number is given, find the other number. Okay, so this is the question, the very same like this one, B. One of the number is given, or one of the addends is given, but the other is missing, and then sum is also given. Fine. So the solution will be like this: 29,184 means one of the addends is given, other addend is missing, and the sum 40,132 is also given. You need to draw one rectangular box. It will be divided into two, and two addends. So one of the addend is given, other is missing. These two addends will together give this sum. Okay, so when we subtract 29,184 from 40,132, then only we get the next or the other addend. So 12 minus 4 is 8, 12 minus 8 is 4, and here it is 0. So 1/10 will be borrowed, 4 will give 1/10 to this 0, and then it will become 10, and this 10 will give 1/10 to this 0. So 10 minus 1 is 9, and 9 minus 9 is 0, 3 minus 2 is 1. You all are in class 5, so I hope you are understanding this subtraction. So the answer is, the other number is 10,948. This is the way we solve question number 2D.